students experience long-distance learning A-level course through video link.
My name is Guto Gwilym and I'm in my first year at Bangor University studying psychology.
What kind of experience is it to learn through video link?
It was a very good experience actually. I truly enjoyed the fact that it was in the form of video conferencing. As it was, it made me more committed to assuring I did complete the work, while the teacher in school didn't seem so bothered. But as it was through video link, I thought, right, I have to do this work. Right, I have to send it off. So it made me more aware of the need to complete the work, and I was more driven in a way to do the work then.
Have you developed new skills?
The skills I think I have developed through the method of video conferencing, the fact that I had to work independently, the need for me to be very mature with regard to my work, and it has genuinely prepared me for university through working independently and maturely and assuring that I get work done.
What should a prospective student expect?
The method is easy enough. All you need to do is reach the class and then the video link begins. The phone rings and the video link starts and you start the lesson straight away.
Does the method work?
The fact that you are not together in one place does not cause any problem at all, because the teachers come over to help from time to time and they are more than happy to make sure that when you have a question, it gets answered. It works both ways of course, so it works extremely well.
What does the tutor show?
Well, they can show themselves of course, and they can also show presentations such as PowerPoint and videos and so on. And they can also show documents through Document Reader.
Where can students get hold of these documents?
Everyone gets their own username and password to log into their own Moodle and to get hold of the materials needed for the course.
What's your opinion of the provision?
I would definitely recommend this method to anyone. It certainly works, and you develop skills that you wouldn't otherwise in school.
What are your plans for the future?
I'm not 100% sure about the future at the moment, but I'm considering things like the PGCE course to get into teaching, or I might take the route toward acting, or I might get into research in the field of psychology.
Has the course been beneficial to you?
Doing the A-level psychology course through video conferencing has allowed me to come to Bangor University to study psychology. It has inspired me to do what I'm now doing and what I'll be doing in the future.
Thank you very much, Guto. Good luck with your psychology studies at Bangor University.